Today we are going to study about ionic bond. In previous lecture, we have done with introduction of ionic bond, what is ionic bond, and we are already done with one example of ionic bond, that is sodium chloride. Today I am going to explain a second example of ionic bond, that is of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. The formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Here, the atomic number of magnesium is 12 and that of chlorine is 17. As the atomic number of magnesium is 12, it means there are 12 electrons in magnesium, while in case of chlorine, the atomic number is 17, so there are 17 electrons in chlorine. Now, I am going to draw the electron dot and cross structure of magnesium chloride. In case of magnesium, 2 electrons will go in first shell, 8 electrons will go in second shell, and remaining 2 will go in the last shell, third shell, and the last shell of an atom is called valence shell. Now move to chlorine, that is non-metal. It has 17 electrons. In first shell, 2 electrons will go. In second shell, 8 electrons will go. In third shell, that is the valence shell of chlorine, 7 electrons will go. As the formula suggests, there are 2 chlorine atoms, so I will draw 2 chlorine atoms. Same, 2 electrons will go in first shell of chlorine atom, 8 electrons will go in second shell, and 7 electrons will go in the last shell. As you are looking that magnesium is a metal always tends to lose electron, and chlorine is non-metal, it has the tendency to accept electron. How many electrons will be lost by magnesium? Magnesium has 2 electrons in its valence shell, so it will lose 2 electrons. It will donate 1 electron to one chlorine atom, another electron to another chlorine atom, because chlorine needs 1 electron in order to complete its octet, while other chlorine also needs 1 electron in order to complete its octet. When magnesium loses 2 electrons, so its octet would also be completed. Now what would happen? After losing 2 electrons of valence shell in case of magnesium, magnesium will acquire +2 charge because it has lost 2 electrons. A species that is formed by loss of electron is called cation, and the chlorine will gain 1 electron, 2 electrons in first shell, 8 electrons in second shell. In third shell, it had 7 electrons, but it has accepted 1 electron from the magnesium. As it has accepted 1 electron from the magnesium, so it will possess -1 charge because it gains 1 electron. Same for another chlorine, 2 electrons, 8 electrons in second shell, and 7 electrons already, and this one 8th electron. It also carries -1 charge. Now all the atoms like magnesium and these chlorines are stable because all are following the octet rule. This is one of the example of the ionic bond. Okay, now there are many other examples that formed ionic bond, like NaF, MgF2, AlCl3. All these compounds are ionic compounds, and it is formed by the electrostatic force of attraction. That force of attraction is called ionic bond. This is all about for today's lecture.